What's up guys, my name is Javier and welcome back to another tool battle. Recently Milwaukee and Makita both came out with cordless full-size 7¼ inch circular saws and they both seem to be very popular. I did the review on both of these units and I've had several people ask me to do a comparison between the two. So here we are with both of these cordless monsters in a head-to-head challenge. Normally when I compare two tools, I like to compare apples to apples, but I want to let you guys know right off the bat that these are two different beasts. In the red corner we have the Milwaukee Fuel 2731-20, which is a powerful 18-volt monster sporting a powerful yet fuel-efficient brushless motor. And in the teal blue corner we have the Makita XSH01, which is a 36-volt beast with a powerful brush motor that runs off of two 18-volt batteries. So those are the differences. 18 volts, 36 volts. Brushless motor, brushed motor. One runs off of one 18-volt battery, the other runs off of two 18-volt batteries. As for the similarities, they both use full-size 7¼ inch blades with full-size cutting capacities, and they both offer performance close to or similar to plug-in corded saws. So in this tool battle, we're going to put these two saws in two separate tests. The first test is an endurance test to see how much they can cut before the batteries call it quits. They'll be making cuts into 2x4s, and to keep things as fair as possible, they'll both be using brand new Avanti Pro 18-tooth framing blades and will be powered by 4.0 amp hour batteries. The second test will be a performance test to see how fast they cut into 4 pieces of stacked OSB using the same Avanti Pro 18-tooth framing blade. And now for all the legal boring stuff. I want to make one thing very clear, and that's nobody's paying me to do this. Neither Makita or Milwaukee. And honestly, I couldn't care less who wins. They're both great brands and great saws. And you couldn't go wrong with either one. And this challenge is just for fun, so take it easy guys. Because these saws last such a long time and they both have overheating protection, I did this tool battle a little bit differently. So that they wouldn't overheat, I did 20 cuts in a row, and then I gave each saw a 5 to 8 minute break. Then I did another 20 cuts in a row, and then another break, and so forth, until the batteries completely ran out of all their juice. So before you guys fall asleep, let's get started with the tool battle. So in the endurance challenge, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel got a total of 196.5 cuts, and the Makita X2 got a total of 345 cuts. Both got some impressive run times. The Makita got almost twice as many cuts as the Milwaukee, but then again, it's also rocking two 18-volt 4.0 amp hour batteries. If you do the math, that's 172.5 cuts per battery. So it all really depends on how you look at it. Who got the most cuts total? Makita. Who got the most cuts per battery? Milwaukee. But either way, it's still pretty close at 172.5 versus 196.5 cuts per battery. And let's not forget that the Milwaukee M18 Fuel has a brushless motor. Brushless motors are more efficient, so they tend to get more work done per charge. And as for the second test of performance challenge, we can see that the 36-volt Makita was able to cut faster by a total of 3 seconds. And this doesn't surprise me, as we put an 18-volt tool up against a 36-volt tool. This is where we can see the differences between the two, so you can compare 36-volt power versus 18-volt power. And they're both excellent saws within their weight class or voltage category. So like I said, these tests were just for fun, and I want to hear what you guys think of these results and your thoughts between these two saws. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up by liking this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, check me out on social media over at Facebook and Google+. And I'll see you guys next video.